Good day everyone, I am April Ponce and today I am going to share my knowledge about cognitive theory, specifically the Lev-Vygotsky's theory of development, including the ZPD or the zone of proximal development and the scaffolding. So let's start. Lev-Vygotsky's theory of cognitive development focuses on how children learn through social interaction and with the help of others. Social interaction is needed for kids to learn best especially when they interact with others. Like sa mga knowledgeable people like sa teachers or sa parents or peers. So na po gitawag na ZPD or Zone of Proximal Development. This is the gap between what a learner can do alone and what they can do with help. Learning happens best in this zone, where the task is not easy or dili po siya ingon nga lisod. Ana po gitawag na scaffolding. This means giving just enough help to support learning. As the learner becomes more capable, the support is slowly removed. So kung kailangan sa bata ang help, dito ara ka gyud mo help, pero kung feel nimo na kanang kaya na nila buhaton kana siya nga buhatonon, mag-guide na lang ka pero dili na ingon nga motabang pa jud ka sa ilaha. Like scaffolding around a building that is eventually taken down. Preparation phase. Like for example, what the teacher does na connected siya sa Lev-Vygotsky's theory kay assesses what the student already knows and what they are ready to learn next. So connected siya sa Vygotsky's theory kay makita na to diya ang ZPD. The sweet spot where learning can happen with help. Or another one is the teaching with support or the guided practice. What the teacher does, like for example, mag-demonstrates, explains, or role model sila para sa ilahang learners or works together with the students. Vygotsky's connection provides scaffolding kay nag-provide man siya og help or guidance or step-by-step nga support within the zone proximal development or the ZPD.